In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint, a true time saver. Let's dive right in and start by opening our trusty web browser. We'll head over to Google, which is often our starting point for anything web-related. Once Google is open, simply type PowerPoint into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you'll want to look for the official Microsoft PowerPoint website. Click on that link to get started. Upon arriving at the Microsoft PowerPoint page, you'll find an option that says Create Blank Presentation. Give that a click. This step will set up a fresh canvas that you will use to leverage the power of Copilot to create your presentation. With your new presentation open, take a look at the top of the interface where you will see the option to ask Copilot anything. This feature is going to be the heart of our process today and is essential in harnessing the AI capabilities Microsoft offers. After clicking on Ask Copilot Anything, you should see an option to chat with Copilot. Click this link and a chat interface will appear. This is your space to interact with Microsoft Copilot, making it easier to accomplish complex tasks. For our example today, we're going to create a PowerPoint presentation about customer service training. Now, it's time to craft your prompt. A great prompt can make all the difference. So, let's input, create a full PowerPoint presentation about customer service training. Include 8-12 slides with clear titles, short bullet points, and simple explanations. Add a slide-by-slide outline, suggested images, and speaker notes. Make the tone professional and easy to understand for beginners. This clear and organized prompt helps Copilot understand exactly what you need. Once you've entered your prompt, you simply need to click the Submit button. Copilot processes your request, drawing on its extensive knowledge base to generate an informative, polished presentation. It's remarkable how quickly and accurately it can transform your ideas into a comprehensive slideshow. After Copilot has fulfilled your request, it will provide a downloadable link. Simply click on this link to access your completed presentation. This allows you to download the file directly to your device and make any final adjustments or edits you may need before you present. And there you have it. By simply following these steps, you've discovered how to utilize Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint to streamline your presentation-making process. Thanks for joining today's session. If this guide helped you, be sure to follow along for more tips on making your workflow as efficient